Kewpie doll. Kewpie. You want to try some, Pinkerton? How about you, Chewy? You're always chewing on stuff. Here's something to chew on. Says I can't get to it with the parents in the way. I mean, with siblings in the way. Pinky. Pinky. Pinkerton. Pinky. Oh, Pinky's trying it. Pinkerton. Pinkerton. Pinky. Pinky. You want to try some? Pinky. Pinkerton. Kewpie. Kewpie. You're a good eater, Kewpie. You're very, oh, there we go. It's going for it. It's going for it. It's right here. Oh, hey, that's a big piece, Kewpie. It's kind of stuck on your beak, though. Let me get that. Let me get that for you. Pinky. Oh, I'm sorry. This is Kewpie. I'm calling you Pinky. You're Kewpie. Yeah, you're Cupid.